Welcome to Znky tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to remove the background from any video in a simple and easy way. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Alright, let's start. Open Adobe After Effects and place your video in the timeline. Select the tool called Roto Brush Tool. Double-click on your video to open a new window. Now, simply highlight the person or object you want to keep in the video. If you make a mistake, no worries. Just hold the Alt key and mark the area you want to remove from the selection. Once everything looks correct, click the Freeze button and wait until the process is complete. And that's it. Congratulations! You now have a video with no background, and you can place any picture or video behind your subject. Don't forget to share this tutorial with friends who don't know how to remove video backgrounds. See you in the next tutorial, and happy editing!